Today is actually another workshop day. Today wasn't actually meant to be a workshop day, but I decided to do a workshop day today because I really want to get that rotisserie finished. It's taking so much longer than I thought it would take, mainly because there's so much design work involved. If it was just a basic frame that you didn't rotate the subframe around on, I'm sure it would have been finished like 4 days ago. But it's actually far more complicated than I originally anticipated. So, today I'm hoping to get that finished. Today is a very busy day, and in general there's a lot going on right now. It's just such a busy time. Normally off-peak Rust-a-Rome, which is now, all the rallies have ended for this year. Normally it's quite a quiet time and it's my chance to catch up on everything else that's needing done. But somehow this year there must be so many other things needing done. As a friend of mine, Brian, pointed out, you've got cars all over the world right now and they're all broken. I've got a car in New York, I've got cars in Mexico getting work done to them, I've got a Volvo I just bought there, I've got another Volvo at Bonnygate Garage getting some work done to it, which the very famous man has bought. And yeah, it's just crazy. And the Jaguar, the Blue Pearl's not starting. It's just so busy right now. There's so many things going on. And there's another Jag I bought. This is a really cool Jag actually, a 1960s. Like one I already own. And it's down south somewhere. I need to go and pick that up as well. So, very busy today. And it's time to begin the day. Time for a cup of tea. But that is coffee. Oh, cheers. Something very strange is happening today. I haven't seen this since French Alps. Check this out. It's sunny outside. Look at the lovely sunshine and blue sky. I am in here building a thing for the car. It's coming on very well, by the way, until I had to cut it apart because I didn't really measure, like my brother said the other day.
I did say he should have done a drawing first, but he didn't do a drawing first and he just went for it. But that's true genius style. That's what geniuses do. They don't think about it, they do it.
And so now I'm having to cut it all apart and change it all because I didn't measure it all out. Should have listened to my brother. Everything I did measure I cut to the right length, but I just didn't have a plan to start with. I made it up as I went along, which is a bit like the Black Pearl. I made it up as I went along. This is why I'm having to take it all to bits and start again. That's not really why I'm having to take it all to bits and start again, because I took it to Rome too many times. Just one too many. So finally finished the rotisserie. It's been an absolute mammoth task, way more difficult than I thought it'd be. So now it's the moment of truth to find out if it's actually going to work. And I'll be frank, there's a very good chance this is just going to collapse. Oh, lower it down. Okay, here we go. Lowering down, lowering down. Oh, oh. Okay, and technically now the weight is on the rotisserie. The weight is all on the now I should be able to wheel this out of the way. Oh, this feels dodgy. This feels very dodgy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's free. It's free of the forklift. Now I should be able to move it anywhere I want. It works. It's currently taking the weight. And now I should be able to rotate this 180 degrees without it breaking anything. I'm a little bit scared it's going to break. Have I bolted this in? I have bolted this in. Wow. It's working. Wow. It works. Wow, my goodness, look at that. And now you can get to the springs underneath and all the other bits and pieces. My goodness, that's amazing. It's quite well balanced as well, actually. I had to guess where the middle balancing point was, and I think I've got it just about right. So, one more. Oh, I don't know what that was. There we go. It works. Yay. That is amazing. Right, it was worth all the hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, I take back my previous statement. If you feel the need to build a rotisserie, go for it. Leave that there. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. I'm going out for dinner tonight, so I'm going to go and get changed, showered. Whilst this may have looked like it happened within a couple of vlogs, it's actually been about a good 4 or 5 days of work. So I'm quite chuffed to finally wrap this up. I can now start dismantling the front subframe, and then I'm toying with making another frame for the rear subframe, which is there, and but not a frame that rotates. I'm over rotisseries. This is my last rotisserie for a while. So, but I'll come in tomorrow and I'll finish it up, put in a few more supports and put something in to lock it in position, and that'll be it finished. And I can continue work on the Black Pearl. So, hope you enjoyed this. Right.
Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you ever needed proof that don't think and just do was the right thing to do, then here it is. Now remember, ow, it's hot. Now remember, don't think, just do. Unless you're going to touch something hot, in which case, think very, very carefully before you do.
Okay, so I've decided, if any of you guys ever have this like amazing idea to build a rotisserie of any form, or any kind of homemade device that rotates a large heavy object like this, I highly recommend not bothering. Just build a table, a metal table, and put whatever it is on it. Don't bother trying to rotate it. It's just way too much hassle. However, if you do that, definitely do a drawing beforehand. I haven't done a drawing, and this has been an absolute nightmare. I'm going to try and carefully not hit any mirrors in here today, because yesterday there was a little nap, a little tiny wee tap of the mirror. I'll never get it off the forks. I'll never get it. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. It's just my mind is fried today. Just take your car to the garage, get it fixed. Just do that. Much easier. Much easier. Okay, time to get back to it. Bye.